Good morning everyone. Today we will be talking about the concept of the characteristics that is required in a person to become a successful entrepreneur. So in my previous video I have told you who is an entrepreneur. So entrepreneur is a person who converts the ideas into reality. So some characteristics that is there in an individual so that he could become a successful entrepreneur. So characteristics that could be there. The first characteristic, motivation. That means a person should be innerly highly motivated so that he could drag his missions in life, whatever he aims for. Motivation is very important for the person to be successful. Next is he should have passion for the work. That is the thing he is doing, or whatever the product or services he is making, he should have a proper passion towards that, so that he could achieve what he wants to actually achieve. Next, if you talk about the vision, that means the foresightedness of an individual. That means he could have seen what actually the product would be in the near future, and how would be the people be expecting or what they expect from the product. That is the vision of a person. Then only he can become a successful entrepreneur. Then he should be confident. So confidence is the key for every person. That means he should have the confidence that whatever he is doing right. And if there are any any hurdles or anything that is happening, so he can overcome that because of his confidence. He should have the decision making power. The next quality in an entrepreneur is the decision making power. He should be having the capability of making decisions at the right time, at the right place, and so that he could be successful entrepreneur. Then he should be an innovator. So this is the basic characteristics of an entrepreneur. That means he should be innovative. That means the idea or the product or the service that he is being into should have an innovative factor in it. Then risk taking. Every business or every product or every service that is being launched by the entrepreneur, there is a risk factor. It could be market risk, it could be financial risk, it could be the risk of the customer's taste and preferences that can be changed with the time or with the trend. So the customer should be able to handle all that risk that is associated with that business. That is also important for a person to be a successful entrepreneur. Next is the curiosity. That means he should be curious to have the growth in life, towards the business he is doing, towards the employees he is handling. So curiosity is important for a person to be a successful entrepreneur. Persistent, that means he should have multiple attempts.